Hello, permit me to share this viral news with you about this man. His name is called Baltasar Ebag Egonga. The man is from Equatorial Guinea. His news is everywhere. I want to tell you the background story and where we are currently concerning this man. Okay? As I've said, his name is what? Baltasar Ebag Egonga. He is from a wealthy family. The father is very rich. Okay? Why are we here? He is Africa Puff Daddy. He involved himself in several sex scandals. The man served as the Director General of Baka Seguros Wa Reseguros at the Ministry of Finance and Budget in Equatorial Guinea. What is the meaning of that? In Nigeria, we call something like this Director General of Banking, Insurance and Reinsurance at the Ministry of Finance and Budget in Equatorial Guinea. He served from 2015 to 2020. Under this current president, President Theodore Obiang Iguma Basogo. Okay? The man appointed him and was working as a Director General in this department in the Ministry of Finance and Budget in Equatorial Guinea. Because this president doesn't want to take nonsense anymore, too much corruption, they discovered that many people embezzle their money. So in April 2024, this man you are seeing here, he was accused of misappropriating approximately 910 million Equatorial Guinea currency. That is equivalent of 1.5 million USD. In Nigeria, approximately 2.5 billion naira. It will be like the one where they see for Nigeria, something like 80 billion, 100 billion. No. Just 2.5 billion. Just imagine. And they took it serious. Okay? So what now happened after the discovery? A judge in April 8 ordered that anybody when they say the doctor say is steal money, may they put her for detention. That was how this man was put in detention in a prison in their capital city called Malabo. So the court ordered that all their assets, for instance himself, his asset equivalent to this amount I just mentioned should be seized. That is, this amount what is still, may they look for a property, the equivalence that is proportional to 2.5 billion, may they collect her. Or like Nigeria will be say, your sins are forgiven. So when they go this man house, they will arrest her. You know, say they will carry documents, but they take no waiting is still. So in the process of gathering those documents, they carried a lot of videotapes. The authorities carry all those tapes, carry go their office, just like they did after FBI raided his house. As they carry those tapes, call the thing say, maybe now as a steal money, maybe as a embezzle money or something like that. Then they go say, hey, what is this? Oh, make I tell you what they find. They find 400 explicit baggy tapes. Now, who are the people that are involved? Let me list them one after the other. What we title this one is baggy without discrimination. He share out to anybody where you see. As long as say you wear wrapper, whether you beautiful, you know beautiful, you no get discrimination. That is banging without boundary. Oh my God. Let me list the people. Very dirty. His little brother's wife, mothers of people, grandmothers, his cousin, his uncle's pregnant wife, with popular influential singles in Equatorial Guinea. And people will be saying they close to the president, such as the Director General of Police wife, the Oga Patapata of Police, the one who they call IG for Nigeria. Now the wife, in go dey bang bang bang. The daughter of this same man, that is the man where he bang your wife, the pikin too, he also knack am. The sister of the president of Equatorial Guinea, he also knack am. Attorney General's wife, the man where he carry the laws of the country for hand, he knack the wife. They say about 20 ministers of the country, all their wife knack them. And what did they be say? He recorded all these things, and most of them, if not all of them, all the women agree make he record them. He even sleep with pregnant women. All the sex tapes, they get serial numbers according to the report. If you call enter his office, they say Out of the 9 women, I don't know whether you see this picture. Out of the 9 women, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When they work for an office, 6 of them, they the tape. Whether you sleep with all of them or maybe out of all of them or now 6 agree, make they record them. I don't know. But now 6 of these women, where they work for an office, and all this thing where they do so, no protection, no protection. You go call us where they do all these things for office, hotel rooms, houses, beach, near river, highways. You just drive now see road. Car no dey come. We could do am fast. Open fields, parties, organize party they go do am just like Didi. This Africa Didi. We dey wait for Nigeria Didi. Your own go soon come out. Now, when the wife hear this information, this beautiful woman, very beautiful, the woman collapsed. Currently, the woman dey hospital. The government call her out, call say, everything we see for these tapes, e no force anybody. So we no fit do anything concerning this matter. The only thing we go do be say any minister or official when they use their office do this thing, because there are many office, different offices do these things, they are all under suspension. That is all the women will be say you go their office do these things, they are under suspension. Now so we see for this man they call Batasa Ebang Egoga, very strong man. Wetin me I want to know be say, you see what they talk from here. Now what do you learn? People's wife, pregnant women, brothers' wife, cousins, uncle's wife, minister's wife, workers in the office. There are many banks in Nigeria, in different offices, directors, managers, MD, CEO, people in the place of authority, lawmakers, security, big chiefs. They do them using their position and place of influence to the knack the vulnerables. But be like say the women, the enjoy them. It's a sorrowful matter. What do you think? Do you still trust your wife? And that woman you call your fiancé or your fiancé, girlfriend, whatever? Drop your comment. Thank you.
Mo tún dé o gẹ́gẹ́ bí aṣojú Isnad Homes and Properties. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń wo fídíò wa jákèjádò àgbáyé. Lóòótọ́, àsìkò yìí nira gan fún ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn láti gbé nǹkan rẹ̀ ṣe nítorí ọrọ̀ ajé tó mú súpe. Èyí ló mú kí iléeṣẹ́ Isnad Homes and Properties gbé ìlànà kí ènìyàn ralẹ̀ kó sì tún máa rówó tó fi ralẹ̀. Kódà ju owó tó fi ralẹ̀ padà. Èyí gan ni yóò mú àdínkù bá ìyàn àti ọ̀wọ́n gbogbo oúnjẹ ọjọ́ iwájú. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ wà lókè òkun gan lè ralẹ̀ kí wọ́n fi bá yín ṣiṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ kẹ́ ẹ sì jèrè rẹpẹtẹ. Ralẹ̀ sí Isnad Estate kò fi ṣiṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀. Lè sanwó ilẹ̀ rẹ díẹ̀díẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ìlànà ìsanwó tó rọrùn gan. Àdúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ ti ń ralẹ̀ ilẹ̀ torílẹ̀ òkò tí a tà ní 2.1 million naira. Ilẹ̀ tí a ń tà ní Alápákó 2.5 million naira ní. Tètè ralẹ̀ sí Isnad Estate lónìí kí o sì jèrè rẹpẹtẹ. Fún ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́ àlàyé ẹ kàn sí kìlómítà 42 Lagos Ibadan Expressway opposite AP filling station Mòwe, tàbí kí o pè 08104441104 tàbí 0912-985-9600. Má gbàgbé pé ìlànà ìsanwó tó rọrùn gbáà lè yí àwọn tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí àtòkè òkun.
Isnad Homes and Properties, real estate tó fà kọyọ, wọ́n talẹ̀ ralẹ̀ lóríṣiríṣi. Isnad Limited, you are too much o. Ẹni bá mọ̀nà ló yẹ ká tẹ̀lé kó lè fi wá mọ̀nà. Isnad lóní industrial land ó ń bẹ níbí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ fẹ́ ṣe commercial farming ẹ má bọ̀ wá. Àní bẹ́ẹ̀ fẹ́ ralẹ̀ láti ṣe real estate. Àbò fẹ́ nímọ̀ nípa bó ti ṣe. Ìrọ̀rùn ló bá dé nílé iṣẹ́ tiwa. Isnad Homes and Properties ó táwọn yọ ẹjọ́. Ilẹ̀ fún ilé gbígbé ń bẹ lọ́pọ̀ yanturu. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá wà dòwò pọ̀ pẹ̀lú ìfọkànbalẹ̀ ní. Torí agbóúnjẹ ìjọba àtúnjọ lóòótọ́. Torí náà let's build future through real estate. Jẹ́ngbọ́ Isnad Homes and Properties. Real estate tó fà kọyọ. Wọ́n talẹ̀ ralẹ̀ lóríṣiríṣi. Tó lójúlówó. Isnad Limited, you are too much o.
What's going on here? You know when I see people that are doing well, I say, oh, you are doing well. And we have to specially let you know that the second National Adire Festival is happening on the 14th, 15th, and 16th of November 2024 at the June 12th Cultural Center, Kuto Abeokuta. Trust me, it's going to be fantabulous. Lot of beautiful musical performance, drama, comedy, dance, games competition where you can win fantabulous gifts. You get it now? There will also be a direct showcase. You get it now? Trust me, it will be fantabulous. Who knows? Friggy Daddy might be there. Daddy might be there to say, all right, or maybe I'll bring mommy while we'll come and buy her the You're everywhere.